Okay, so this is an updated video. Sorry, I can't put on. It's gonna be a little shaky because I can't put on a tripod. It's just too low. My tripod won't go that far. And I have a flashlight and I can't shine right at it because look what happened when I shine at it. So, but this is just an update on it. You can see it actually pumped out a little bit. It actually pulled out a little bit. And it has not been bad or anything. I think because of the paint though. I have to put another paint on here. Maybe that would be better. Also too, see this right here? It's all peeling off. So, oh, sorry for the background there. Someone's praying. Yes, someone's praying. Anyway, sorry. Lost my thought there because someone's like, I don't know if they're praying or yelling or whatever on the corner here. But anyway, from here to here, it holding on pretty good. As you notice that little bump right there. If you saw that video, you see that little bump because I pulled it off. But if you want, in my other video I said, if you want, gouge out just a little bit so you can put Bondo over. And then once you put Bondo over, you can sand it. And it'll be less Bondo too. So if you use spray foam, what I've learned, okay? Use spray foam, pull it out just a little bit so it's only a little gouge in, and then put Bondo over it. Like this right here, you see that? And then you can sand it and it will make it all nice and perfect. It's because I don't care, you know, like I just want to pass inspection. Like my dad doesn't care about this car either. I mean, I paint it really nice and everything, but like 3 years, actually this is the 4th year later, and it's peeling off. This was from the paint, just in case you're wondering, the best paint that I've learned so far, the best paint to paint over rust and stuff like that. And you can make a trim. I did a nice trim over this car. It was red, but I turned it into black. And this was and I didn't even sand it off or anything. I should have sanded, but I didn't care. This was from Walmart paint, and this was for like bed liners, like truck bed liners, and it came out pretty good. But 3-4 years later, this is the 4th year, and it's starting to peel because I'm in the cold weather. So you're in the hot weather, you probably can get away with, maybe, I'm not sure because I'm not in the hot weather. But down here, it lasts pretty long. It's still there, and it's not peeling off. As far as I know, this is work for plastic. It has to be plastic, and it has to be like metal. Okay, so bed liner is for plastic and metal, but it has to be bare metal because this is what happened to it. Okay, and I'm gonna show you my next one. I also did over here too. Right here, I didn't do too good job on it. I kind of sloppy. Right here, I didn't tape it like I did with that one, so it didn't come out. It didn't come out nice, but it passed inspection. And then for this here, that's my new area. I'm going to do that next. That's my next project right there. Okay. Now you noticed it's missing all this right here because it's been rusted, and it's really bad here. It's all rusty in here. You see that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take bed liner paint, and I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to do the bed liner paint again so it can pass inspection way before. This is like probably the last time we're going to fix this. I mean, I'll fix it if it's okay. Like the inspection will be okay, you know. Like this right here, I ripped everything out because I didn't really think I needed. And if I do, I'll just get a thing and just make this. But I ripped that out to make this easier. But I think because of that, all these things is getting rusted because of that. So it's kind of like a yes and a no, you know. But anyway, the benefit is just like, you know, I shouldn't have ripped it out, but then if you don't rip it out, the water gets into it and it doesn't dry that fast. So it's kind of like, I don't know. But anyway, so I ripped all those out right there, and then now I have to close it all back up, I guess. But I know they're not gonna pass inspection on this one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape it right through here, and then I'm gonna tape it to here again. I'm gonna poke like I did. I poke a little hose in them, and I'm gonna fill it again, so that way it'll come out like over there. Okay. Other than that, that's about it on this video, and I hope you get something out of this, because I mean, for this type of car, you're gonna spend a lot of time doing it. I mean, if you're doing it, here's my suggestion before I go. If you're doing it like if its card is still good, then I would suggest to do it the right way, bondo it, you know. But this one is not doing pretty good. And look at it, it's all peeling off and stuff. So I'm not gonna bondo. I'm gonna do it so it can pass inspection. We only use this for like junk car, like when our other car doesn't work, or when we need heavy stuff, you know, because some of these is really rusty. You can see in here, see that it's all rusted, so it's not really worth it to save it. And plus it's only like $500 a year for insurance. So if it get damaged, it get damaged. We don't care. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm doing this. But if you're doing for like good cars, don't do it this way. Do it the right way. Do it the bondo way, or even welding your own or whatever. But it's for quick fix or the car that you don't care, spray foam would be the best. Okay? And plus you save time, and it's easy. And you saw in the other one. I'll link the video up here too. Anyway, other than that, that's about it on this video, and I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next video, okay?